Welcome friends to the S.I.L.K Route to Excel at Word. This series of videos will help you excel in Microsoft Word. These videos are a direct result of the feedback received from you people for uploading videos so that you can improve on working in Microsoft Word. So unlike the Excel videos wherein the shortcuts were a 10-part videos, well, after going through various functions, here I will start the Word videos with some tips and tricks to help you work faster in Word. This we will, I feel, give you a glimpse of what Word can do, provided you know how best you can use it. So without further ado, we go ahead to help you excel at Word. To select an entire Word, and I don't mean the Microsoft Word full program, it means a word in the document. Rapid clicks on the particular word, select it. The alternate, of course, is to click and drag your mouse to select the word. This is a faster version when the cursor is on the particular word which you want to select. Rapid clicks on the word. I will be alternating between Word and PPT to show you what we are doing. So here the word is here. Go on this word called complement, double click, and the word is selected. Anywhere you go, the alternate of course is to click this and drag it to end of the word. So this is how you select a word. The alternate is double click on the word to select the word. To select an entire paragraph, 3 rapid clicks anywhere in the paragraph. What I'm trying to say is you are here, you click, the whole paragraph is selected. You are in this here, the whole paragraph is selected. Hope the mouse clicks are audible. This will select the whole paragraph. 3 clicks, 1 click, nothing happens, the cursor is there where it is there. 2 clicks, the word is selected. 3 clicks, the whole paragraph is selected. Next, select entire sentence, control click. This is, you are here, you want to select this portion. So here, control click. It is selected from after the full stop to end of the sentence. Here again, control click, selected. And when you already selected one with control click, obviously you can't do the same thing once again. You have to click and then click it again. Got it? This is now selected. If I go here and again use control click, it's not selected because the cursor is still here already. Not the mouse, the cursor. Where the cursor is there, control click selects the sentence. So this is how you use control click. To the horizontal line, 3 hyphens and enter key. That is, once this is over, you want to draw a line. The actual way is to go insert and one of the ways actually, shapes, line, and then drag a line here. To draw a line, 3 hyphens, a line is drawn. This is how you get it. Got it? If you want to draw a horizontal line anywhere in the paragraph or anywhere in the document, if you want to draw a line at the beginning, 3 hyphens, enter gives you a line. Same thing after it's 2 paragraphs, you want another horizontal line, 3 hyphens, and enter key gives you a line. This is how you draw lines quickly. Draw an actual line, come in further videos. To make a word or go about subscript. That is, subscript is where, of course, you know what subscript is. This is where the key is there to click it. That is, if I want to have, let us say, word provides header footer. Footer, I want to make this as a subscript. I go here and click it. It comes down. The font size decreases and it comes below the normal line. And header, if I want to make it a footer. So what happens here is that the shortcut key is Control plus. This plus has to be not the number log plus, the plus key which is normally besides the backspace key. Control plus makes it a subscript. Powerful way to help you prove your point. This is what I want to prove. So Control plus makes this one. This, remember, is a toggle key. I again use Control plus, it becomes normal. So when you use the combination Control click and then use Control plus, the whole sentence goes as a subscript. Superscript, Control Shift and plus. So Control Shift plus makes it superscript. Again, it's a toggle key. Toggle key. Can use both simultaneously. You use a Control Shift to make it superscript, but you actually want to make it a subscript. Then just use the Control plus key. Got it? You can directly use Control key to make a word or a sentence or a selection, either subscript or not. So Control plus makes it normal. Control Shift plus makes it superscript. Again, clicking at the same toggle key makes it normal. Decrease font size, Control Shift the arrow key to the left arrow key. Control Shift the less than key which is above the comma. You can decrease the font. You increase the font, the opposite, Control Shift and the greater than key. Left decreases, right increases. So friends, this is just a glimpse of what we have shortcuts in Word to speed up your document writing, and we will go further in our next videos. Thanks for being a subscribers, and help your friends, family, them subscribe to this channel and help them, you and me, to excel at Word, thus helping you excel at your work. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.